Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a really cool card force. This is a force that you hardly ever see anymore. It's fairly rare and it's totally mind-blowing. It's called the card to bottom card force, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? You need a regular deck of cards, and the nice thing about this force is you can borrow someone's deck. Okay? All you need to do is get a glimpse or know in advance the card that's on top of the deck. Okay, in our case it's the 9 of hearts. All you do is you go up to someone and you say, look, I've got some cards here, and while you're saying that, deal 3 over to your right hand, and then after you do that, don't worry about that, you just take the whole deck and you open it up like that. But you have a break between the deck and those 3 cards in your right hand. Okay? So you spread them like this. You have someone touch a card. Let's say they touch this one. And all you do is you take, and you're going to take all these cards and you're going to slide the one they want seemingly to the bottom, like this. Okay? And you square it up and then you show them this card. Now they think that's the one they chose, but really that's just the 9 of hearts that we forced. Okay? So once again, you remember the card on top. You say, look, I've got some cards here. You count 3 over, and you say, you know what? Let me just let you pick one. And what's happening here is your thumb is starting to slide these cards over with your other thumb, and you leave a break. You see that break right there? Okay, you don't let the whole deck touch down ever. You keep that break. Okay, you see that? And then you let them touch one. Let's just say they touch this card. Okay? This one right here. You don't let them see it right now. And the cool thing is when you push all these over, what's happening is it's going into that break, and they think it's going to the bottom, but really, it's not. Okay? So one more time. Remember the card on top, the King of Hearts, that's the card you're forcing. You go up to someone and say, look, I've got some cards here. Why don't you just go ahead and just, touch one? Oh, you want this one right here? That one? Okay, no problem. Let's just bring that to the bottom. Go ahead and remember that. And you can see it's the King of Hearts we forced. And one more time, let me show you the move. Like I said, you count, I just count 3 over. Hold them like this. And then you bring these over, you start to fan, but you keep a break under there that they don't see. Okay, obviously you need a break because you're going to slide their card into that break. They think it's going to the bottom, but it's really not. So, okay, they touch one. You want that one right there, okay? And what you do is you take the rest of the cards, you push theirs in, seemingly like you're closing the packet of cards and it's going to the bottom. But what's really happening is their card is just sliding above those other 3, so that when you show it to them, they think their card's on the bottom, but really it's just the force card. Okay? So that is the card to bottom card force. It's amazing. I'll never forget when I learned it at a magic meeting. I was just like, wow, how did you do it? With enough practice and you do it smoothly, you will blow people's minds. It's one of the best card forces out there. So get your deck of cards, practice, 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 and you'll be able to do this and amaze people. Have a great day.